Hi guys, welcome to Profitscout. Today got free around 12 and the market is still open. Let's do today's trade journal entry. So you come to profitscout.ai. If you are a new client, you click on buy now. Right now there is an exciting offer of 99% off on yearly subscription of the trade journal. You can access the journal at just 101 rupees. If you are an existing client like me, you come to login and you click on add trading day. So today is the 14th. Number of trades, I'll come to it in a bit, was in profit. The traded symbols for today were Nifty, PEL and Bosch. Now, a common query that we get is that when a symbol is not available in the list, what to do? Let's say Sankalp is a traded instrument and I type Sankalp. If it's not there in the list, all you have to do is either press comma or enter and it will be added as a traded symbol in your trading journal. Now, this is going to be useful for people who trade in options or forex pairs or crypto symbols or even commodities. Anything that is not listed here, like I traded Nifty 25100 put. So it's not there in the list. You type the name of the symbol and either press comma or enter and it's going to get added to the list. Before I write the M2M, let's just add the notes. Went short in Nifty through Nifty 25100 put, made 4100 in this put. Not a very rewarding setup because Bank Nifty was not supporting the short move, even though Nifty IT was in support of a good short move. Went long in PEL, around about 1,25,000 in PEL in different strike prices, and went long in Bosch. This is also through two strike prices and 75,000 in Bosch. So rough M2M was somewhere around 2,04,000 today, and the brokerage 8450. That's what I checked in the broker. Now I did make use of breakout strategy. I scalped, technical analysis of course, and momentum in both the stocks. So this is the net M2M for today. Number of trades become 3. Now this is phase 1 of the trading journal. In phase 2, what's going to happen is you'll get an option to connect your broker directly to the trading journal, and it can fetch the entries as is from your trading journal, from your trading portal, and you don't need to do this manually. And in phase 2, once these entries have been picked from your trading account, the internal AI is going to guide you as well on how you performed as compared to what happened in the market. What is the trend of your trading performance? Like, I'll show you something really interesting here. So this trading day has been added. So I keep my trading journals since the last 3-4 years, and I'm in the process of inputting my trading entries. You can see a lot of green, a lot of red. So if you are an actual trader, you are going to incur some losses in the markets. So summary wise, my worst day so far with the data that is there in the system, since Jan 24, worst day was 72,000 and my average daily is 1,17,000. Though in my mind, I had a picture that I trade with a 1:3 kind of a scenario, but that is what we aim for. But when it comes to actual run time and actual trading, things are a bit different, because sometimes we take lesser exposure, we take early exits, or you're busy somewhere. So in your mind, you're taking a 1:3 kind of an exposure, but there might be times where you have exited the majority of the quantity at T1 only. So whatever the case is, but this is a good insight for me. I need to improve on my execution and I need to hold on to my winners more. And when it comes to the days of the week, the worst performing day for me is Monday. I make decent amount on Tuesday and on Fridays. So these are the 2 days when I'm at my best. So on Monday, I don't know if it is the weekend's hangover or whatever it is. I'm not able to make the most out of the day. And on Fridays, maybe it is the anticipation of the weekend, I make good gains. So about the trades that I took today, this is PEL's chart. The market just closed. The time right now is 3:34. This came in the bullish stocks list of Profitscout. I'm sharing these stocks in the Telegram channel as well till the system is launched for subscription by the public. So very decent move, all volume candles, and this is the system telling us that it is kind of overbought. So from a bullish breakout above 1239, the stock made an intraday high of 1293. Percentage wise, if we calculate, since this candle to this high, we have an up move of 54 rupees or 4.36%. And post this overbought alert by SIA Algo. Of course, this is a very different system. Do not confuse these two. This is my trading system. From 1294, it did correct till 1268 and then resumed its upward movement. This was one stock. The other stock was Bosch. Bosch also gave an excellent up move, again above bullish breakout zone of my system. If we calculate the move, I think I shared this list at 9:30, somewhere around 9:30 in the Telegram channel. This also gave a move of 2.47% or 916 rupees, which is enough for my needs. Another trade that I took was in Nifty. Took a short, went below the bearish breakout zone. One of the trades hit SL initially, and then on re-entry, I kept scalping it. There was a good breakout re-entry as well that rewarded a bit. Not much gains in it because I had a stop loss from earlier in this to deal with. The reason behind this Nifty short not rewarding was Bank Nifty just was not ready to go down, and it had a negative effect on Nifty puts increasing. So you can see that this is the red line. If Bank Nifty also would have breached this red line, it would have supported the short move in Nifty, but that was not the case for today. Happy that the stocks rewarded. And off late, if you have noticed, indexes are not rewarding that much, but individual stocks are. So when all the features of Profitscout are out, I hope you also make the most out of the breakout stocks that the software populates for you. I am also in the process of making my trading journal public. So once I complete all the journal entries that I have with me, I used to do it in a Google Sheet before launching Profitscout. So I'm in the process of manually entering those things here. So it will be made public. There are people who want to see how I traded today, and what is the trend, what kind of major losses or major profits I have, and what strategy I used on which day. So I think it's going to be a good exercise for people who have a learning objective and who just want to compare their performance with mine. So we are sharing this list that the system populates in the morning in the Telegram channel. I'll leave the link to that channel in the description of this video. If you want to make use of the stocks that are there, do join the Telegram channel. And that's it for today. Jai Siya Ram.